Yes, so welcome back. Big up to all of my viewers and subscribers who are going, my people. Yeah, I'm from on the city thumbnail and the title. Then you already know what is on the agenda today. So consider to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also, give this video a like. Yeah, man, just like up the video now. Yeah, and also share up the content so that others can be in the know. But you know how we do it thing over here. You see me? We just gonna jump in at the intro fast and come right back to the video. So don't go nowhere. We soon forward.
Coulda never forget where me come from. No matter what me do, me a born Jamaican.
So now people, we have dancehall artist Bounty Killer. You see me I say, and basically Bounty Killer was performing a couple days ago. You see me I say, at the Campari Caribbean Road Show. You see me I say, and basically when Bounty Killer perform, you understand what I mean? People are said due to the way how him did a perform and a go on. It's like the artist did a twerk and baiting. You see me I say, people, I know most of you have already seen this video and baiting, but people, me just gonna give you a little clip and what was going on at that event so you can get a better understanding of what I'm saying. So check out this video. Yes, I know people. Basically, I see enough people are bash Bounty Killer for this. You see me I say, and at the end of the day to see him speed, yeah, at the end of the day to the angles there where the bee catch the video from, yeah, it kind of look a little weird still. It kind of look fishy still. You see me I say, but basically, we all as Jamaicans, yeah, we know Bounty Killer, you see me I say, and we know where the money stand for in a dancehall, you see me I say, and what me not like about this, me say most people are run with it, you see me I say, even the vloggers, them enough man, I say, yo, Bounty a fish and Bounty Killer freaky and baiting, you see me I say, and me as pre in myself, and me I say, at the end of the day, why we Jamaicans quick for draw down we own, so, you see me I say, and that really a style for the country in a big significant way, you see me I say, people, because basically, yo, me and don't know the warlord a general. You see me I say, big man thing, we don't say a general no can also be a fish though. You see me I say, but we know where Bounty Killer stand for. You see me I say, and at the end of the day, me and go come here and come and blast Bounty Killer and bash Bounty Killer. You see me I say, yeah, at the end of the day, as I said before, it look a little weird to how the artist did perform, but it's just performance, people. Because I see Bounty Killer post it also on him Instagram page and in show a different angle and it look totally different. You see me I say, people, but honestly more hear phone thoughts and opinion and all of this. You see me I say, so share it down into the comment section and make me know what really I go on. You see me I say, and all me have to say, big up Bounty Killer to see him speed. But here are people, you know, with most people, them like to pick out the bad out of the good. You see me I say, because Bounty Killer even gave a uplifting speech at that event. And I say, at the end of the day, people who can't follow the politician them and baiting. And you see me I say, man give a real motivation speech. But at the end of the day, me not really see nobody highlight that. You see me I say, people try to highlight the negative at all times. And that really carry we down as a people and as Jamaican too. You see me I say, people. But honestly, as I said before, just drop your thoughts on this situation. Yeah, and make me know one thing. Also, you don't know, say, yeah, the comment section under these videos, yeah, basically it is fiery, people. You see me I say, and enough people are bash Bounty Killer. Basically enough people all say at the end of the day, yo, it look like Rodney have a price. You see me I say, and them never know say Bounty Killer with a low and baiting and you know, it's just all backlash. And me I say at the end of the day it come like them now meds and pre say this thing kinda shake up the man career. You see me I say, you can't just run and do this to one of our legend just so, because basically people, it's not like them see the man and another individual or, you know what I mean, the man I do not fishy to see him speed, you see me? And you know, so recently, Milk was on an interview with World Dog and TikTok to see him speed, and Milk come out and I say at the end of the day, Bounty Killer freaky and baiting. But me I also know, say Milk look a spotlight right now, you see me? I say, here are people, me I go make you check out that little clip there.
Him don't have to be the cutest thing in the world, you know, because I remember say, I was with Bounty Killer and I wasn't with Bounty because him look cute or he's the cutest person in the world. Rachel, you think he wasn't into those kind of things? Rachel, number 10, you think he wasn't into those kind of things?
Into what?
She talking about, she said, the person said, how she managed to be with Bounty Killer when in the freaky things.
Jesus Christ. Hey, Jesus. Jesus. Let them answer them.
Yeah, so basically this is what Milk come out and I say. You see me I say? And basically in myself, I feel like Milk just said this for just get that spotlight. You see me I say? Because Milk really want boss because she come on all the live and all the big I say how man thief her computer and baiting people. You see me I say? But also for all of the haters them for Bounty Kill and all of the people them where I put out all of them things. There are one thing more and tell them. No, 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 no. The killing them not depend that. Also, people, we have J Progress right here. You see me I say? And J Progress a share theme opinion and all of this. You see me I say? So people really want to take in and listen what J Progress I say. You see me I say? And then uno can drop on the honest thoughts and all of this down into the comment section. You see me I say? But anyways, check out what J Progress I say.
Me see a thing a circulate from the other day with Bounty Killer, the Warlord, the Ground Godzilla, right? And that thing we a circle, it thing a put a branding pan Bounty Killer name like the man is a fish, brother. You see what me I say? And this all come about of Bounty Killer perform on a stage show. And it come like, nowadays, the way how you walk or the way how you turn up or if you perform and your body language says something or something, people start brand you a certain type of way. Jamaica, member, a Bounty Killer we a talk about, you know. One of our legend, you know. You see what me I say? And if we can start drag down our own like that, which we always do, and me always come and say it. If we can start drag down our own like that and discredit all of the work and everything where them put in to get where them there. And because if a man see a man on stage a perform him song, it no matter how a man want move, how a man want act when him a perform him song, enough people now go understand because you're no musician. And the notion of the people them put out there right now, of Bounty Killer. Like the man has some big old swim around. You hear me I say? And you know the worst thing? The blogger them run with it. The blogger them run with it. And this is why people always come and say, me and no blogger. Because sometimes some blogger end up make the things them worse than what them supposed to be. It's like the notion where them put around things is one thing, you know. Where people saying about all about is where you put around it. It's like you plant a seed in a people's head and right now the blogger them a do it. Because remember, you know, as bloggers, you know, people may not understand, you know, but we have a power out here, you know. And all artists and all entertainers need to know this by now. A whole heap of time then come and burn out blogger just like myself here to me a burn a fire right now. But blogger will not have a power, brother. There is a power there. Alright, if we spread the notion there, brother. Remember, you know, no go see the man pan no man, you know, brother. No man no come out, come say nothing. It's all about a picture, you know, a imagery of a man a perform on stage. And the way everybody run with it, me could even hear a girl in the background and say, this a man a fish or something, you know. A Bounty Killer we a talk about, you know. The Warlord, you know. You know, remember good, no man. And me feel like, say, too often, we quick for drag down we own. It's like we can't wait. It's come like we did it in the dark, a lurk. Just a wish and a pray for them scratch. Look on the notion where we are put out there right now. Of one of our greatest right now. It a run the media and it got to an extent and it can tell you say it affect Bounty Killer, you know. I'm going to tell you know why. It affect Bounty Killer because Bounty Killer go make a post of the same event from a different angle where it look totally different. So you can show say Bounty Killer here what out there in the media right now. And it affect the general. It affect the general. Just like the other day when Milk come out and Milk come say some kind of thing and the whole. So first thing, the whole world did I run with the thing what they yeah. And because of mainly a lot of the bloggers them too. Or Bounty Killer freaky because of the interview where Milk go do with World Dog pan the TikTok live. And bloggers take you up and run with it. Gone. Boom. Remember, you know. Some of them bloggers you have 100,000 subscribers, you know, to them YouTube and them thing, you know. Them have power out there, you know. When them drop any content, them content are rack up thousands of views, you know. So thousands of people are see it, you know. You hear me I say, so bloggers sometime, a little thing that they name damage control, man. We have to know what we are do, Father. Father, we have to know sometime what we are put out the Father. You have a thing when name damage control, brother. It's one thing for we come out here and say we are look with views and I put out with content, brother. But some of the damage them, it's not easy to fix, you know. We know, we see, and we can say, we know say bounty killer and no fish, but look some picture me see some man I put out in the media right now, and some little clippings, and some little something. It's beside the fact. It's almost like you have put evidence for say, bounty killer, our general, our dancehall legend, Ground Godzilla, is a big old swim around. And that the notion there, enough of the bloggers them a put around the thing right now, you know, whole heap of the media, social media. We can't do that, people. It's like we blind ourselves to everything with them done in the past. Remember, you know, that same event there, you know. Bounty Killer did they make a powerful speech, you know. And I tell the people them say, you know, can't be diverted to politics, you know. You know have to vote for change, you know. You have to vote for progress, you know. You have to vote for policy, you know. So enough time Bounty Killer what I do is to uplift and elevate people. You hear me I say, and you go tell me say a man up on a stage a perform. Anyway you want, do anything you want. Look how much artists we see on stage a perform, a wine and a go on with themselves and a do all kind of something. But yet still, we take it up for ourselves. And it's the right over the whole of the media right now, because that's why me see it.
So basically, people, you know what I want to do? I want to give more honest opinion on everything where J Progress I say right. Because me I tell you the truth honestly, yeah, I support J Progress opinion. You see me I say, because me I pre-back in myself and me I say, yo, it come like the people them the members say, yo, are the generalists them I talk to. You see me I say, them man here is a man where beat down and burn out the shaking is straight. You see me I say, so at the end of the day, me don't know how people are run with them little thing like at the end of the day want to put it like, yo, the man is a swimmer around or the man is a shaky person. You see me I say, people. But anyways, that is just my opinion and also J Progress opinion. You see me I say, I also want to hear FOOTA opinion and all of this down into the comment section. You see me I say, and one thing me have to say, big up to Killer same way, and then can't stop a killer. Me you know that, people. You see me I say, at the end of the day, a legend is a legend. You see me I say, but anyways, people. As well I say, share your thoughts, make we discuss it. You see me I say. Also, consider to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also, give this video a like. Yeah man, just like up the video now because it really help the YouTube algorithm. You see me I say. Also, comment on the video to see him speed people. And also share up the content so that others can be in the know. But you already know how we do the thing already over here, people. Peace, love, unity, bless up every day, every time. I'm out.